Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In this session, let's see about a code example in order to see the charging of a mobile, and while the mobile is getting charged, the charging level increases, and when it is full, that is when it is 100% charged, it will show an information message: charging full, disconnect your charger. And as we use it, the charging level decreases, and then when it reaches 10%, it will show a error. It will show an information message saying charging is low, connect your charger. So let me run the code and show you how it works. So initially it will be at this particular level. I given some level, that is, I think so it's 20. So initially it will be at 20%. There are two buttons, charging and using. So when I click on the charging button, I'll click it only once and the levels increases by itself, because it calls the function itself after every 200 milliseconds. And once it reaches 100%, it will say charging full, disconnect your charger. So you can disconnect the charger. And now, while if I click on the other button called using, it the level decreases. It keeps on decreasing by itself. I'm not clicking on the using button. I've just clicked it only once, and it keeps on decreasing because it calls the function recursively by itself. And once it becomes 10%, the color changes to red, showing that it has reached the lower level, and it will show a message telling charging is low, connect your charger. So this particular code example, let's see it today. So initially I'm having from Tkinter import star, then I'm importing TTK, and I'm importing the message box. To show the messages, we need the message box, and TTK we need because of the progress bar which we are using in this particular program. Initially it will be win equal to TK, the main Tkinter screen. Then I'm having two functions. On the click of the charging button, the function charge gets called, and on click on the using button, the function use gets called. Let's look into the functionality later on. Now let's include a progress bar. So since we need color progress bar, I have to use the style widget in Tkinter. So let me say s equal to ttk dot style s dot theme underscore use. I'm giving it as clam. Sorry, it is s dot, and nextly s dot configure. I'm saying white dot vertical. Since I'm using a vertical progress bar, I'm saying it as vertical dot t progress bar. Progress bar. For this, I'm having a background of white. So let me say background for the progress bar is equal to white, and border color is black. Border color equal to black. Here it should be white in quotes, and border color is black for the progress bar initially. Now let us define our progress bar by saying p equal to ttk. It is present in the ttk module. So we have to use ttk dot progress bar Let me place it on my main window. Orient, it's not horizontal, it is a vertical progress bar. So I'm giving orient as vertical, and style equal to style parameter. I'm setting it equal to this particular name, that is white vertical T progress bar. So my style now is equal to vertical white dot vertical dot T progress bar. T progress bar, and I'm giving a length equal to 200 for the progress bar, vertical progress bar. I'm giving a length equal to 200. Maximum is 100, so it will go till the level equal to 100. Maximum equal to 100, and mode is determinate mode. The progress bar which I am using, the mode is equal to determinate. So these are the details. Progress bar is placed in the main window. It's a vertical progress bar. It is having a background color of white and border color of black. Length is 200. Maximum value till it goes is 100, and mode is equal to determinate. So this was for the progress bar. Now let me pack it onto the screen by saying p.pack. Pad x is 20. Let me give it as 20, and pad y also I'm giving it as 20. So it will come below. So 20%, it's 20 pixels down, and after 20 pixels the progress bar will be placed. Then I'm having two buttons called button 1. So B1 equal to button. Place it on the main window. Text for this is equal to charging, and command for this, on the click of the button charging, it calls the function charge, which are given over here. Let's write the functionality later on. And now let me pack it onto the screen by saying b1.pack. Pad x is 10 and pad y is also 10. Pad x is equal to 10. Pad y also is equal to 10. Then I'm having another button called b2 equal to button. Place it on the main window. Text for this is equal to using, and command which and the function which it calls is equal to use. Then I'm packing it onto the screen by saying pad x is 10 and pad y equal to 10. Then I'm having my main event loop. So now let's write the functionality for charge. So now let's just see the code. Let's click on the run button. From Tkinter import message box. Okay. Import error. It's giving this error because I have not given the message box, I feel. So now let's run the code. Layout vertical T progress bar. The spelling is wrong. progress. So now let me run the code. So Here I've got my progress bar. I've given the background equal to white and border color equal to black. Background is white and border color is equal to black. S should be capital. Okay, it should be small itself. Okay, I've not given any value, so initially it will be at the 0th value. So this is fine, friends. It's a progress bar. It's a vertical progress bar. It has got two buttons, charging and then using. So I've given the progress bar. Button 1 is charging and button 2 is using. Now on the click of the button charge, let's write the functionality. So what happens when we click the button charge? So for this, P of value, I'm increasing it by 10%. So plus equal to 10. So every time it increases by 10. If I click the button charge, P of value increases by 10. And now I'm checking for some condition. If P of value if P of value reaches 100, that is the maximum limit, 100 is the maximum. So if P of value equal to 100, I am saying, so import message box I have to give from Tkinter import message box. So when it reaches the 100th level, that is the maximum level, I'm giving one variable result1 equal to message box dot show info, and I'm giving a message title equal to full, and the message is charging full, disconnect your charger. So I'm clicking this button only once, the charging button I'm clicking once. So it will increase by 10%. Then how will it reach the 100% value? For this, let us call the function recursively after every 2000 milliseconds. So else condition, let me say P dot after the progress bar after 2000 milliseconds, after a delay of 2000 milliseconds, it calls the function charge again. So it is recursively calling the same function charge. So it will again increase by 100. It will check if it is 100%. If it is 100, it will show the message that is charging full, disconnect your charger. If it is not so, it will call this after function after a delay of 2000 milliseconds. Again it will call the function charge, and in this charge it will increase the value of the progress bar to another 10%. So now let's see how it works. So I'll say charge, so it keeps increasing, and once it reaches 100%, it will give a message charging full, disconnect your charger. So this was for the charge function. Now let's look into the use function. When user clicks on the use function, what happens? So here p of value, I'm decreasing, minus equal to 10. Then I'm checking for the condition if p of value equal to 10. So when as it decreases, it reaches 10 value, then I'm giving one result which is called result2 equal to message box dot show info, and I'm giving the message equal to low, and I'm saying charging low, connect your charger to your charger. So here the title is low and it says charging is low, connect your charger. And also one more thing is we want the progress bar color to change to red. When this particular it reaches the 10 level, I want the color to change to red. So for this, let me use the same configure. So let me say configure, and now I want to change the style parameter in the progress bar. So I'll say p of style equal to this particular value. And here instead of white, I have to make it as red in color. Background is red and border color black. And here also I have to change it to red. So this is how it works. And now I have to give the else condition. Else I have to recursively call the same function. So p dot after 2000 milliseconds, I'm calling the function use. So friends, let's execute this code and see. So initially I'll click on the charging button only once. It will charge automatically. It will increase automatically. So charging full, disconnect your charger. Now let me use the using button. Click on the using button. It will decrease. So the color has not changed. There is some error. Progress bar it should be. Here also it should be progress bar. RESS it should be. Okay, now let me execute it once again. So now if I click on the charging, see this is the correct code. Its color is white and the border color is black. So it is charging. And once it reaches 100% at the maximum level, then it says charging full, disconnect your charger, title is full. I'll click on OK. Now I'll click on the using button. I've clicked on the using button only once and it is automatically the level is lowering because it automatically calls the function after 2000 milliseconds, and once it reaches 10% the color changes to red and it will say charging low, connect your charger. And now if I use charging again, it will increase by in the red color. So a small modification needs to be done for this. So we have to use s.configure this particular value. I have to use it over here, that is in the charge function. I have to use this particular code and I have to say p of style, p of style. I have to give this particular name, that is white vertical T progress bar. So now it should be fine. Now let me execute it. So let me click on the charging button. It charges by itself. It charges and once it reaches 100% it will say charging full, disconnect your charger. Click on OK. Now I'll use the mobile, so the charging decreases, and once it reaches 10% the color of the progress bar changes to red and a message also appears, charging low, connect your charger. Charging low, connect your charger. Now again if I click on charging, it changes to white. It no longer goes in the red color. So this small modification was required. So friends, hope so the mobile charging process code you are able to understand it. I will I will write the entire code. I'll put the entire code in the description box so that it will be handy for you. If you want to use it, you can use that particular code. So friends, hope so it was you were able to understand it. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.